students, today we will discuss about silk. Students, silk is a natural fiber which is obtained from silkworm. Actually, it is a fine, strong, soft, shiny fiber produced by silkworm in making their cocoons. It is also called resham in Hindi. Okay, so student, today we will talk about life history of silk moth and how do we obtain silk from the silkworm. Okay, student, rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. It is a very old occupation in India. Student, life history of silkworm is very different because it is not formed just from the egg. It has a 4 steps. So see, it is a diagram to show the life history of silk moth. First of all, silk moth give eggs, and female silk moth give eggs on the mulberry tree. See, it is the egg of the moth on mulberry trees. Okay, then these eggs grow and converted into a larva of a silkworm. Larva or caterpillar of a silk moth which produces silk is called silkworm. See student, it is a silkworm. It is a larva or it is a silkworm. Then these larva is converted into pupa and cocoon. Okay. Then this cocoon is converted into the adult silk moth. Okay, student, the silky covering. It is a silk cocoon means a silky covering spun by silkworm or caterpillar. Okay, student, it is a silky covering which pupa is spun to protect itself. Okay, so the silky covering is spun by silkworm of silk mouth. It's called cocoon. Okay, when the pupa develop fully to form silk mouth, then the cocoon is splits up in, and a beautiful silk mouth comes out. See, so it is a diagram to show the life history of silk mouth. Always remember that in order to produce silk, the silkworm develops inside the cocoon or pupa. Student, please note that in order to produce silk, silkworm developing inside the cocoon as pupa is not allowed to mature into an adult silk. As soon as the cocoon is formed, it is used to get the silk. Okay, and the pupa get killed. This is the life history of silk moth. Now we will talk about the production of silk. Student, in order to produce silk, mainly there are 4 steps. First of all, we are supposed to cultivate the mulberry tree, rearing of silkworm, okay, and processing of cocoon and making of silk fiber. These are the and then converting silk fiber into cloth. These are the steps. First step, we are supposed to wear silkworm to obtain cocoon. Female silk moth lays eggs. Okay, in number 3, here female silkworm lays egg. Then the eggs are stored carefully on a paper strips and sold to silkworm farmer. The silkworm farmer keep these eggs at a suitable temperature and humidity under suitable conditions. Then these eggs are warmed to a suitable temperature for hatching. When the eggs hatch, the silkworm come out of an egg. Okay, this is the process. See here, eggs hatch and silkworm comes out. This is the mulberry tree. Now come processes for cocoon to obtain silk fiber. Student, when all the cocoons are collected, these are collected at one place and the pile of cocoon is used for obtaining silk fiber. Okay, it is placed in hot water and hot water makes the silk of cocoon fiber separate out. Long silk fiber are obtained by unwinding the threads from cocoon. Okay, the process of taking out fiber from the cocoon for use as silk is called reeling. Okay, certain reeling is a process of taking out silk fiber from the cocoon to use as silk. Here reeling is done. Then after we get the silk fiber, we convert the fiber into a fabric to make cloth. Silk fiber obtained from our cocoon are twisted to form silk thread, which is called silk yarn. Then clothes are made by the weaver. Then these are woven into clothes by the weaver. In India, we have different types of silk which look different from each other. Okay. Some of the varieties of silk are mulberry silk, tessar silk, moga silk, kosa silk, and ari silk. So how do we get silk? Okay, from where we get silk? Now you have understood from where we get silk and how do we get silk, the process of production of silk. Student, where was the discovery of silk made? Actually, the discovery of silk made was the silk was made in India, was made in China a long time back. So China is the largest producer of silk nowadays, and India is also a largest producer, but it is the second largest producer of silk. Okay, so this was the life history of silkworm and how was the silk produced.